warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Arabic into translation class. Today inshallah we are going to discuss and we are going to learn negative interrogative sentences. So here I wrote some sentences. Let's learn first words and their meaning. What is the meaning in Urdu and what is the meaning in Arabic? So here one word is sharika. Sharika. Company. Company. Sharikat. Companies. Companies. आमिल. वर्कर. काम करने वाला. उम्माल. वर्कर्स. काम करने वाले. अब. फादर. वालिद. आबा. फादर्स. आबा. मकतब. ऑफिस. ऑफिस. मकातिब. ऑफिसेस. ऑफिस. मुदर्रिस. टीचर. उस्ताद. मुदर्रिसून. टीचर्स. असातिज़ा. फस्ल. क्लासरूम. जमात. फुसूल. क्लासरूम्स. जमात. मुदीर. मैनेजर. मैनेजर. मुदरा. मैनेजर्स. मैनेजर्स. मसरफ. बैंक. बैंक. मसारिफ. बैंक्स. बैंक्स. Let's discuss how do we make the interrogative negative sentence. Here I wrote limaza. Limaza means why. Ana, I am. Lastu, not. Fish sharika, company. Let's first read the Arabic sentences and then we will translate in English, and after that inshallah we will translate in Urdu. First sentence is Limada ana lastu fi sharika. Why I am not in the company. Limada nahnu lasna fi sharika. Why are we not in the company. Limada anta lasta fi sharika. Why are you not in the company. Limada antum lastum fi sharika. Why are you not in the company. Limada hum laisu fi sharika. Why are they not in the company. Limada huwa laisa fi sharika. Why is he not in the company. Limada hiya laisat fi sharika. Why is she not in the company. Limada huwa laisa fi sharika. Why is it not in the company. Let's translate now in Urdu language. Why am I not in the company. मैं कंपनी में क्यों नहीं हूँ. Why are we not in the company. हम कंपनी में क्यों नहीं है. Why are you not in the company. आप कंपनी में क्यों नहीं हो? Why are you not in the company? तुम कंपनी में क्यों नहीं हो? Why are they not in the company? वो सब कंपनी में क्यों नहीं हैं? Why is he not in the company? वो कंपनी में क्यों नहीं हैं? Why is she not in the company? वो कंपनी में क्यों नहीं है? Why is it not in the company? वो कंपनी में क्यों नहीं है? Let's try to understand. There are basically 4 types of sentences. Number 1 is positive. Number 2 is negative. Number 3 is question. Number 4 is interrogative. Generally, all the student and in the all the books, only we learn these 4 types of sentences. That may be a positive, negative, question or interrogative. But in really in our practical life, sometimes we ask the question in negative way and sometimes we ask the interrogative in negative way. So that one also we should learn. So therefore here I wrote interrogative negative sentence. Interrogative, so that will be in positive. जुमलों की जो है 4 किस्में होती हैं. पहला पॉजिटिव मुस्बित और दूसरा मनफी जिसमें नहीं का मानी दे देता है और तीसरा सवालिया जुमला और चौथा इस्तेफामिया. आम तौर पर हम यही 4 चीज़ों का जो है जिक्र करते हैं, लेकिन कई ऐसे सेंटेंसेस हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं जिसमें सवाल भी होता है और उसमें मनफी भी होता है. क्या तुम स्टूडेंट नहीं हो? इसी तरीके से इंटरोगेटिव में भी कब, क्यों, कहाँ, उसके साथ हम मनफी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जैसा कि यहाँ जुमलों में लिखा गया है, क्या मैं कंपनी में नहीं हूँ. Here is I wrote some sentences for practice purpose. How can we translate? These one I wrote as a subject pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, and here are the some general sentences. So let's learn what is the meaning and how can we translate in English as well as in Urdu. Limada al-amil laisa fi sharika. Why is the worker not in the company? Limada al-ummal laisu fi sharika. Why are the workers not in the company? Limada al-ab laisa fil maktab. Why is the father not in the office? Limada al-mudarris laisa fil fasl. Why is the teacher not in the classroom? Limada al-mudir laisa fil masraf. Why the manager is not in the bank? Let's translate in Urdu language. Why is the worker not in the company? आमिल काम करने वाला कंपनी में क्यों नहीं है? Why are the workers not in the company? काम करने वाले कंपनी में क्यों नहीं हैं? Why is the father not in the company? वालिद साहब क्यों कंपनी में नहीं है? Sorry, here is in the office. Why is the teacher not in the classroom? Why is the manager not in the bank? मैनेजर बैंक में क्यों नहीं है? Till now we have completed interrogative negative sentences. Inshallah in next class we will learn. Thank you.